Hi, I'm Punch at California Harley-Davidson. This year, the 2021 CVO Limited comes in two colors. The colors are Royal Purple with Royal Black Fade and also Bronze Armor. Today, we're going to be talking about the 2021 CVO Limited Royal Purple and Royal Black Fade. You have the Tomahawk wheel. This is the third year in a row that Harley has used the Tomahawk on the CVO Limited. You have the 19-inch front, 18-inch rear. That's a perfect combination for handling a bike this size. You have the Daymaker LED lighting, including the auxiliary lamp and blinkers. The 7-inch headlight illuminates more light while censoring cornering in different environments. This bike has a lot of light bouncing off the front of it, so you are going to be seen and you are going to also be able to see up the road. You also have the Kahuna Collection grips, floorboards, brake covers, and exhaust tips. You can identify the Kahuna Collection by the red Boring Shield stamp. Let's talk about the engine. You have the 117 cubic inch V-twin engine. It's the most powerful V-twin manufactured and offered out of the Harley-Davidson factory. It produces 125 foot-pounds of torque, so it's a lot of power, a lot of fun to ride. It's on a 6-speed transmission. You also have twin-cooled radiators to keep the bike cool during all riding conditions, especially if it's really hot or if you're going on really long rides. The cool thing that I like about this bike, it comes with a huge 6-gallon gas tank. It's going to get you about 41 miles to a gallon, so close to about 250 miles on the tank. So it's going to keep you on the road, less fill-ups. The exhaust is a dual crossover exhaust, gives you a great sound and performance. This bike also has custom gauges styled to complement the CVO models of Harley-Davidson. You also have the Boom GTS audio system. It recognizes voice command in multiple languages. It also gives you navigation and other functions. You also have a USB port that connects SD cards, flash drives, and MP3. This bike comes standard with the Reflex defensive rider system, the RDRS. It has multiple functions such as vehicle hold control, in addition to the corner electronic link braking. The RDRS is a collection of technologies that help give the rider confidence and control. The system utilizes advanced chassis control, electronic brake control, and powertrain technology to assist you in accelerating and braking in a straight line while in a turn. You have the heated grips with multi-level adjustment, keep the hands nice and warm. You also have heated seats. It does have dual high and low heat adjustments for the rider and passenger. You have the 2-up seating, you have different stitch patterns, and very quality material. As you can see, the passenger seat is very comfortable, a lot of cushion, a lot of padding. You also have speakers here to accommodate the passenger, so it will give you that surround sound of audio. This is the ultimate touring bike. From the engine to the bags to the tour pack. You even have an additional rack on the tour pack, so if you want to take more bags, you can definitely take more things, and you can find those type of accessories in our parts department. This bike does come with a lot of goodies and accessories, from the rider backrest to the bike cover to the Boom 30K audio head system, and much more. The CVO is the ultimate bike that Harley has to offer. I can't wait to take it for a ride, so let's see what it's all about. So I was able to take this CVO Limited out for a test ride. Wow, what a day. I was able to feel the torque and the power of the 117 V-twin engine. Felt really, really good on the heels. I was able to use the vehicle hold control. The bike would not roll backwards. I was able to use the corner electronic link braking on the curves, so I could see that the bike was standing in the proper alignment. And while about that Boom GTS infotainment system, it's really loud, crystal clear. While I was on it, I could hear the audio system over the engine. In addition to wearing my helmet, I could still hear the audio system really well. Very crystal clear and really sounds good. I was able to connect my phone with the Bluetooth audio, so I was able to listen to my own personalized tunes, which had me rocking on the road too, which really felt good. So that's a definite plus and a definite bonus to this bike. Even though this is a big bike, as you can see, it's very easy to handle. With the combination of the 19-inch front and 18-inch rear, really helps with handling a bike this size. So I was very comfortable riding this bike, and I recommend it. The suspension is awesome. As I was going over some little bit rough terrain, I was still able to feel like the comfort of the bike stand stable. The handlebars, the rear suspension was really set. I really felt good riding this bike and handling this bike. My friend told me about this spot, this location, That is very beautiful, very nice ride. So I did get the information, and then I just plugged it into the GPS, brought me right here. As you can see, like my friend did say, it's a beautiful view, a great place to ride, and especially on the CVO. And as I was cruising, I just wanted to relax a little bit, so I put my feet up on the highway pegs. Very comfortable ride, especially while cruising on long rides. The saddle on this bike is just so comfortable. In addition to, I felt myself getting a little warm under the bottom and realized that I had on my heated seats. So those things really work well, even in the hot weather. You do have heated seats, remember that. Heated grips, this bike has it all. Like I said, I could not wait to take a ride, feeling that power, feeling that torque, just feeling that handling. This thing is the Cadillac Rolls-Royce top of the line of motorcycles. I really enjoyed my test ride. As I was riding, people were giving me the thumbs up. I'm sure it was because of the beautiful CVO color. I was also able to get on it and feel that power. This is like top of the line. I really highly recommend this bike. Come grab you a CVO from California Harley-Davidson. Come see me, Punch Lewis, at California Harley.